API for beginners. Here's a simple analogy to understand it clearly. If you're new to the concept of API or application programming interfaces, we've got a straightforward analogy that will clarify things for you. The waiter analogy. First, what is an application program interface? An API is a liaison between two computer systems, allowing them to communicate effectively. You can think of it as a middleman that bridges the gap and helps these systems understand each other and work together seamlessly. To bring this concept to life, let's picture a familiar scene. A restaurant. In this setting, we have three key players. The diner is the customer. The waiter is the API. The kitchen is the data source. Imagine you're sitting at a table ready to order your meal. You know what you want, but the only way to communicate your order to the kitchen is through the waiter. In this scene, the waiter represents the API. You, the customer, are the user who needs the data or service. And the kitchen is the data source or the system that processes your request. When you tell the waiter about your order, they don't cook it themselves. Instead, they will relay your request to the kitchen. Once your meal is prepared, the waiter, as the API, brings the dish from the kitchen back to you. This process is a perfect metaphor for how an API functions. It takes requests from a user, the customer, fetches the required data or service from a system, the kitchen, and then delivers the response back to the user, the customer. So there you have it. Like a waiter who knows exactly how to get your order right, application program interfaces are the behind-the-scenes stars in tech. Hopefully, the waiter analogy has helped you develop a clearer picture of how it works. Follow for more tech videos like this.